In Miami, you find nice people wherever you
True.
go, right? News 3 is your weather authority, and it's time to talk about this monsoon season shaping up in our valley and a busy night.
Oh, very busy night. Chloe, let's get to the forecast right away.
That's right. The monsoonal moisture really fueling these thunderstorms right now, carrying very heavy precipitation. It's moving into the valley right now. You can see the lightning strikes happening behind me. We're looking at some very active weather over the next couple of hours, everybody. Outside, a live look as we're taking in a view from the D in Las Vegas. Like I mentioned, storms are coming. Here's a look just over the last hour or so of those storms really rapidly moving into southern Nevada. Take a look at this. They're moving at about 40 miles an hour in the direction of the southeast, and you can see already starting to get closer and closer to the Las Vegas Valley. This storm you can see already moving into Arizona, so we don't have to worry about that one so much, but it's this one you can see. The second one that developed very recently, now moving closer and closer. We're going to bring you in for street level in just a second, but you can just see how widespread these thunderstorms are, moving in all the way from Indian Springs, reaching out all the way to Pahrump and also Mount Charleston, getting a nice amount of moisture. You can see, especially for people along the roadways, Blue Diamond Road, we're looking at very serious conditions when it comes to people driving because we're anticipating very heavy hail from this system, also heavy rain. Gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour are possible for some areas as well. As we get in a little bit closer, as I mentioned, we are seeing the storm, the rain start to make its way into the valley. Another cell developing near Blue Diamond right now. So again, we're looking at very active weather spanning all the way across the central portion of the state, and you can see quite a bit is in store for us over the next few hours. As we get in a little bit closer, here's the heavier parts of rain we're seeing near West Lake Mead Boulevard. Going up a little bit farther, you can see the strongest portions of the thunderstorm, as you can see, getting into the red category. That's where it's the most severe. So we're talking the biggest hail, the strongest winds, and abundant rainfall is expected. This is moving into northern Las Vegas right now, and you can really see the really core part of this thunderstorm is right here, still in the higher elevations, but again spilling into the valley as I'm talking about it. Getting in a little bit closer, we're looking at some of the streets right now, getting the rainfall as it's going to keep moving in the southeast direction like I talked about. That other cell that just developed just within the past 15 minutes near the Blue Diamond area, you can already see growing pretty significantly as we take a look at the take it back, and you can see quite a big look at all the thunderstorms we're seeing across the area. Multiple alerts have been issued throughout the last few hours. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. You can see for right here, Pahrump, all the way extending out through portions of Clark County. Also an advisory you can see just a little bit farther to the northeast of us for that rainfall. You can see as we make our way through after midnight, we're still anticipating to see those showers, but quickly moving over the next few hours. So that's really the territory where we're going to see that activity. After that, only a slight chance of seeing showers develop on Saturday. We're going to see drier weather into Sunday. Winds are already picking up very significantly across the area. These are the peak wind gusts so far, 30 and 40 miles an hour, and temperatures in the 70s and 80s outside. Also, as we take a look outside the valley, very gusty winds and temperatures certainly cooling down quite a bit. We're going to reach right around 76 degrees in Las Vegas. Taking a look at overnight lows, it is going to be cooler than we initially anticipated as these storms pass through. Highs tomorrow will be a little bit warmer compared to our weather today. And as we look ahead to the 4th of July holiday, drier weather is on tap. 107 for your projected high, with only the very slight chance of showers by tomorrow afternoon. But you can see that lightning right behind our 7-day.
It's going to be quite a relief, and you can finally say, hey, things are going to be calm out there, everyone.
Yes, we just have to brace ourselves for the next couple of hours.
And